Okay, so what is up? Another day, another vlog. Yo, so first accident in this house. I was at work. Aiko was home. She was going up the stairs. Okay. So she was going up the stairs, up these stairs. You know, doing her stuff, doing her girly stuff upstairs, and then she was walking down the steps, and then boom, and then boom, fell on the table, and it was a horrible thing. I mean, I saw the bruises. Oh my god. So I mean, look, I don't know if you guys can see it. So okay, so this is the table. You can see the crack here, and if you guys can see it, the crack, and then this thing, like all the screws came out, basically. Like it's like really bad. This one right here as well, it's really bad. So I was just thinking I could buy a new like top, a wooden top, which probably gonna make it better. But I'm not. Well, I'm gonna think about it. I was thinking with no leg. That's what I was thinking, with no legs, and then this it kind of like slides out. That's my thinking. That's what I want to do with it. But yeah. So that's the idea. That's what the idea. That's what I have in my head, and let's just make it possible. We're going to IKEA because I bought this at IKEA. Just ignore this mess. But I bought these at IKEA. The legs are at IKEA. I can still use the legs. I just need new screws. But the top is like, it's gone. It's basically gone. There's a crack in the middle. Yeah, because Aiko just fell like from there. And it's down on here, and it's bad. I mean, I feel so sorry for her. But yeah, anyways, going to IKEA. I talk a lot. Okay, so we just got at IKEA. I still don't know which one is it IKEA or IKEA? I call it IKEA. I also call it IKEA. So okay, so probably just gonna be a quick one. Gonna get the plank, and then boom, let's go. Okay, yeah, let's go. Okay, so we decided to eat at IKEA, so it's gonna be not a quick trip to IKEA. We're gonna eat it, and then not eat it. We're gonna eat, and then we're gonna go to buy the stuff that we need for the table. And then we're gonna go home. I don't know what's going on after IKEA. Probably we might go to Costco. I'm not sure yet. I don't know. But then yeah, let's eat. Buy the wood plank for the table that she broke, but so yeah, actually we are on our way back home. We're on our way back home, and then we might that's just I'm not sure, we might go to darts, we might play, we might go out and just have fun, basically. Yeah, let's just jump to the next scene. Okay, so if you guys don't know, it's the next day. Andu went back. What did we do when we came back to when we got back home from IKEA? I totally forgot to film. We got back home, literally just had dinner and just slept, and Ando just went home. Another chill day in the vlog. It's basically always a chill day because I film in the Sundays and Saturdays, so it's basically my holiday. my weekend, so it's a chill day. Okay, so I'm here at this like a street, like a market street. Japan has a lot of these. It's called Shotengai. So it's like a street, like full all the way from up there to all the way from, to down there. It's like a long street full of markets and all that. It's close to my house, so it's basically I'm discovering what's around my house. I actually haven't went around my house yet. I don't really know what's around yet, so this would be a perfect time to get to know my neighborhood. I guess that's a perfect way to say it. Yeah, montage. So that is the last gate. That is the tail of the shopping street. Togoshi Ginza. You guys can see it's right there. That goes all the way down there. So that was fun. Well, I didn't film that much. I was looking around, and yeah, it was a bunch of stuff, bunch of stores that it's gonna be helpful, you know, if it's close to the house. So this place is quite, you know, it's quite flexible. This place is cool. It's full of stuff. It's full of stores, and I'm glad that I moved out here. Let's go home because I don't know where this video is going. Okay, so I just got back. Well, no, actually, we both got back. Oh my god. I don't know. When did we get back? Well, it's been like 5 hours since we got back, and then I just got back from my family's place, and I just got really hungry, and I just thought that I would eat some there you go, a noodle. A cup. Now this is actually a new flavor, isn't it? I haven't heard of this before. It is the focus. Okay, it's the smoky chili shoyu. So it's so I'll show you again. Soybean. It's a smoky soy sauce. A smoky chili soy sauce noodle flavor, yeah. Okay, so cup noodles is like one of my favorite instant noodle brands. They usually have like a lot of variations of flavors. Like one of my favorite one is tom yum, which is like, obviously I'm from Malaysia, and it's like, it brings me back to Malaysia. It is a Thailand food, I think, tom yum, but we also do have tom yum in Malaysia, so it brings me back to Malaysia, so I really love it. Plus it's really easy. Usually some of instant noodle, we gotta put the sauce, the powder thing that makes the soup first, and then we gotta put the hot water. But not this, because everything is inside. I did have to put some oil in it. So let's just try this. It's a smoky chili. I don't know what smoky chili is. Do you know what smoky chili is? Okay, I see. Oh, it's basically chili. It's not that spicy. It's not that spicy, Argo. It's not that spicy. It's not that smoky. But I understand why you want to call it smoky chili, but it's not that smoky or that spicy, if that makes sense at all. Excuse the slurping. In Japan, quick tip. If you guys want to come to Japan and you guys eat like noodles or miso soup or any like liquid requires you to slurp, do it. Like I know in America or in England or in the westerns, slurping counts as it's not a manner. It's not one of the table manners. But in Japan, slurping, it literally means that it's nice, the food is nice. You show the graduation. gratitude and show that you really like the food. It's basically that this soup or noodle is nice. That's why you slurp it. Basically, slurping is good. So if you guys coming to Japan, I'm not sure about Asia, like East Asia, like Korean. Are we East Asian? I think we're East. I think we call it. Okay, I just changed to white balance. I think this will be much better. Okay, so yeah, I think East Asian, like Korean. I'm not sure about the East Asian, like the Koreans, North and South, and the Chinese. I'm not really sure about those two, if they have the same culture, if they have the same, but then they do slurp, so I'm not really sure what the meaning are over there. But in Japan, yes, it means that it's nice. And this is nice. So okay, that's it for today's video. And yesterday, I guess we went to IKEA, came back, became tomorrow, which is today, and I walk around my house, and then a little snack and a little lesson of Japanese culture. So all in all, I think this is a great video. Hit the like button if you guys like it. Subscribe if you want to see more. I do vlogs in Japan, and that bell button right beside it. If you want to, you know, let YouTube send you a notification that I've just posted a video. Boom! Great, perfect. Alright, you got something to say? She's cooking now.
Bye.